Good morning, everyone. My name is Deborah Johnston from Invest Northern Ireland, and you're very welcome to today's webinar, How to Pitch to Different Personality Types. This webinar is part of our Practical Export Skills series and is delivered today by Una McSorley of Marcom Training. Una is a leading authority on business communication skills, helping clients to overcome the hurdles of poor communication and guiding companies of all sizes to transform their strategy, communication and leadership for the better. After the presentation, there will be a Q&A session with Una, and thank you to everyone who has already submitted a question. If you have a specific question now or one that comes up during the presentation, please use the Questions tab on your webinar control panel to send it through to us. We are also recording this webinar and it will be available on the investni.com website. We will email you with the details when it is available online. It now gives me great pleasure to welcome our presenter today, Una McSorley from Marcom Training.